Hello everyone, how are you? This video is made for kids and adults who are absolute beginners. So let's get started. Grade 1, Student Book, Unit 1. Hello. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat. Hello. Hello. I'm Tom. What's your name? I'm Mary. Tom! Tom! Come here. Goodbye, Mary. Goodbye. Grade 1, Student Book, Unit 1. Hello. Exercise 2. Listen and say. Good morning. I'm Miss Kate. Good morning. Good morning. What's your name? I'm Tom. Grade 1, Student Book, Unit 1. Hello. Exercise 3. Listen and sing. Hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Student Book, Unit 1. Hello. Exercise 4. Listen and repeat. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Student Book, Unit 2. My Classroom. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat. What's this? It's a book. What's this? It's a desk. What's this? It's a table. What's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's a bag. Student Book, Unit 2. My Classroom. Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say. Book. Desk. Bag. Pencil. Table. Student Book, Unit 2. My Classroom. Exercise 5. Listen and sing. In my classroom I can see. Point with me, point with me. I can see a chair. Can you see? In my classroom I can see. Point with me, point with me. I can see a desk. Can you see?